Cardboard Quest!
At all.
Do I have tomato sauce on my face?
No. Do I?
Do I have anything in my teeth?
Do I?
No.
It's alright. That really nice.
Okay. Hello and welcome back to Cardboard Quest Tutorials episode 3. We have made a microphone, we have made guitars, and today we're going to make a drum.
A giraffe.
Drum. Good mix. So we're just going to make a drum. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa!
Are we making a singular drum or a multiple drums?
I just said we're making a drum.
One drum then.
One
I'll
drum.
make the drumstick.
We probably should have thought about this before we started
Two
recording.
sets.
Okay, so we're going for a similar technique as with the guitar. We're going to start with our circular template, the 2D kind of side of it. Lils, you're going to work on drumsticks, is that right?
Yes, I am, Chester. Yes, I am.
What you could do is, because you're in your home, you could get kitchen tape,
Oh, that's a good
draw
idea.
around it,
Get perfect circle.
perfect circle.
How you doing over there, Lils?
I'm
You
just
looking
trying to
like
find my right kind of thickness of cardboard at the minute. Choose from. So.
Yeah, we have. Literally got loads of cardboard everywhere.
Okay,
That's a really good circle, actually.
thanks.
You drew a little bit on the table, but that's
I
alright.
did.
Let's give us some cardboard. Whoa.
Now there's pin all over the plate, but that's alright, we can wash that off.
Decorate it.
That's you.
So,
Oh, I've just nabbed the scissors.
no,
haven't
that's
I?
fine, there wasn't any more pairs.
Oh, there's multiple pairs of scissors. You cut out one circle, I'll cut the other. Pairsies.
Although we've only got one pair of scissors.
But that's fine, we'll swap. If I'm cutting after
I
you're
thought you meant at
cutting-
the same time.
Oh, yeah, not at the same time. That's a face.
I don't know if I like my drumsticks like this.
That's a really good circle, actually.
Thank
You're
you.
cutting that really well.
Thank you. Okay,
That's a good circle, right? I'm going to cut that circle now. Let's go.
and then whilst you're doing that, I'm going to figure out how big we want our drum to be. Around, which I don't think this will.
I think you could do it in segments, couldn't you? Don't worry about trying to go around the whole circle in one go. Maybe just do like it in thirds. I reckon that might be better than trying to do a complete circle. Maybe. I think possibly. I don't know.
So,
Never done this before.
so if we do it in two pieces, we roll to there and there.
That seems logical,
Logical.
but until we do it, we do not know. There is cardboard everywhere, stressing me out a little bit.
How big, how tall do you want it to be?
How big or tall do you want your drum to be? That's the question.
That
You
is a
could go
good
for
question.
bongo size. Oh, bongo!
Bongos would be so
Oh.
good.
A
Where it goes
bongo.
in and out. So we're going to use the same technique as with the guitar from last time.
Cool, you're having a right old wrestle on your hands there, aren't you? You've picked the hardest cardboard in the land.
I have.
How do you feel about that?
Might have been a mistake, but it might be good. Thing is, with a bongo, you don't need drumsticks, and
You don't.
therefore, what I'm doing is.
But we're not making a bongo.
Oh, good, we're not making.
Yeah, no. You're right.
You're not happy?
Well, it's just a stick, isn't it?
Well, that is a drumstick. It's in the name of it. It's just a stick.
It's got a little ball on the end of it, hasn't it? A drumstick.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying.
Yeah, so you can just cut out a circle. So there's a circle on the end of that. Couldn't you?
That would be sense.
Don't know.
Yeah.
Chiz, I
Correct.
might need your assistance with holding this to the edge.
I can see what's happening.
Okay.
I could do with that.
Zoom her out a little bit.
So this is maybe why my suggestion of doing it in thirds might have been a good idea.
Because I'm gonna make it smaller.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you can make tambourine. That'd be really fun.
Yeah,
Possibilities are endless. Okay, so
literally. You're only limited by the amount of cardboard you have, I'd say, and time.
I mean, time's pretty endless at the minute. What day of the week is it? No one knows.
Talking of time, can anyone hear that?
Hey, what?
It's Chester's 10-second takeover. Prepare yourselves because this one's going to be mental.
You're saying you can do a drum in 10 seconds?
Yeah, as before. You might be thinking, cardboard quest, that's the name of it. I just can't do it because I haven't got enough time in my day. And I say to you, all you need is 10 seconds. And I'm going to show you that it is true. Okay.
Ready?
Is someone on the clock?
Yeah.
Okay. Count me in.
3,
2, 1, go!
Goodness.
halfway. And that's the time.
Tail?
Right, so this is my drum stand.
Yeah, okay, I can see it. Oh, okay.
So
That still doesn't work.
it definitely does. You just got to get it in the right angle. Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then that's good, isn't it?
I mean,
There we go. So now you know it's possible. 10 seconds, you can make a drum at home too. Go. How is everyone doing right now? I see you're working on your drumsticks.
I'd argue they're the best drumsticks.
They're really good actually. They're almost as good as my 10-second drumsticks. Your drum is looking really
Yeah.
good here.
Thanks.
The body is coming along really well. One of the things obviously that we're trying to get people to do is get your whole house involved. So you might be thinking, we've made a microphone, we've made a guitar, and we've made a drum. How am I supposed to use all of these things together? And the answer is you could get someone on the drums, someone on the guitar, someone on the microphone, and form the
Band.
band.
Let's get the band back together.
Yeah, that one. Like little Muppet hands.
Like to play with making.
Right, drums coming along well, Kate. It's looking really good actually.
Thanks.
You're doing really well.
Thanks.
So you've made your drumsticks, but you're cutting something
Yeah, I
else
just
out.
thought in the time, you know, I might see if I can make something else, a little something special. It might be a surprise.
Oh.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. I am nearly there.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay.
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 Excellent.
Right. And then what I'll do is put the tape around the edges of the drum.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, brilliant. So you've got all your sides made
have.
and attached.
Yeah, so what I'm doing now
Really
is
good.
just taping up each section, and then I will kind of reinforce it with the masking tape.
Whoa! I'm ready. Go on. Oh my god. That is.
I actually think that's quite good. If you were in a band, this is the instrument you'd be given.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Personally, me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they wouldn't trust you with anything else other than going.
And
Ding!
even that, unreliability.
Yeah, exactly. You wouldn't have a microphone near it.
Yeah.
I'm chuffed with this.
If anyone wants me to play triangle for them, I will do it for free.
I like my little handle and everything.
Yeah, it's actually really good. I think it's genuinely the best instrument we've made.
Now that we've got our sides attached to the bottom, I reinforced it with some tape around the edge. I'm going to, thank you, pop my bottom of my drum on and just stick it on the bottom.
So, we're going for the flange technique. The well-known
Can we
flange
just say
technique.
flat?
Yeah, I don't mean so flange.
Flange? No, but it's not though, is it?
It's not, but it could be. It's fringing anyway. What
Fringe,
is flange?
fringe, your fringe.
What even is flange?
That's a flange.
There's nothing like flange.
Well,
No, but it describes these well.
no, it
doesn't
doesn't. Fringe.
Stop beating me up. Fringe. This makes a good sound. Look, you ready? Everyone shh.
Do I do it all in one, or do I do little sections?
I do sections personally.
Okay.
but-
Now.
Okay, I
Oh!
Wait, because you've got to make sure it's yeah.
Oh, such a good idea!
will. It's
Yeah, it's
looking
not the-
drummy. Like you could have a right good drum on that drum. Creating the shape of the drum is just brilliant. It's just brilliant.
It's just brilliant.
Yeah. What have we got going on over here then? Is this something for the drum?
It's something for the drum. We can make it detachable. You know, you don't have to keep this as an option, but just a thought. Attach and detach.
Yes. Let's see what's going on here.
It's
It
great.
does. It
It's
looks
a great
really
drum.
good.
Yeah. Wow.
Dom the drum.
Amazing. That's so
That is good. That is really
What a
good.
way to end this tutorial. Blimey.
There we go.
Fantastic. Wow.
Episode 3 of how to make a drum for Cardboard Challenge. Absolutely smashed it there.
Yeah,
well done,
smashed
Kate.
it.
Well done, Lil.
Great. I honestly think that is great.
It is. It is. It's honestly great. Right. So as you can see, the band is starting to form. Episode 3, we've got a drum, we've got a guitar, we've got a microphone, and we've got a bonus triangle. Everyone needs a bonus triangle. So we've taken you through the steps of how to make some instruments, and there are still more to come. 2 more episodes left. So stay tuned. If you want more details on Cardboard Quest, go to www.hullabalooiw.com/Cardboard Quest to find out details on the competition. If you're making stuff at home, don't forget to post it on your social medias at Hullabaloo on the social medias in it, and use the hashtag Cardboard Quest. And we will find it, and we will like it, and we will love it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Decent, man.
That is great.
This one
I'm
is good.
sorry.
This one is good.
Great.